just got done updating the last of my client accounts, a lot of my other profiles that I had out there, and I finally circled around to my personal profile for Chris Palmer Marketing, and I wanted to go ahead and make a video on turning on notifications. A new feature, an SMS notifications, a new feature came out on the 31st of May, so about 13 days ago. About 2 weeks ago it came out. I wanted to go ahead and point this out to you because there's a couple steps, and I've gone through this a few times now, and I want to go ahead and walk you through the process and, of course, share it with you. If you have not already turned this on, I highly suggest turning it on. It's going to be attached to whatever phone number that you verified your Google Business profile with. It's very easy. It's very straightforward. You'll be able to get the messages instantly, and it's really easy. I'll go ahead and share this with you now briefly. So when you log into your Google Business Profile Manager, on the left-hand side, you will see multiple buttons here. All right, so you'll see calls. You'll need to make sure that you have your calls on, right? You'll have calls. You'll also have, along with phone calls, you'll have messages. Now, when you get to your messages, what you will see here is you might have some other messages from other clients or customers, but you're probably going to have one from the 31st that came through from Google Business Profile. Now, again, like I mentioned before, the process is very straightforward. This has happened to all my other clients' accounts, my other Google Business Profile accounts. I also got messages too from the 27th. So you might have got your message before me, maybe after me. I literally just got one now, so this is really cool. I'm literally getting messages as I'm making this video. It's phenomenal. It's great for your business. But here's how it's done again. Sorry to talk in a circle there. So as you can see here, you have your messages. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 messages. Click on the one that says Google Business Profile. You should have got one between the 22nd and the 31st, somewhere in that range. Maybe you got another message as well. In any case, when you click on this, it will be from Google Business Profile. New, get notified of messages through SMS. You can now get SMS alerts when customers message your business through chat. Add your phone number to try it out. Turn on SMS alerts. All right, when you click that button, what will pop up is you're going to have to add your phone number here. I added this before. And then turn this on. Get SMS notifications when customers send a message. So when they send it, I literally start getting messages from Google, from any customer that's messaging me. And that way, it's, if you're not sitting on your PC, you don't have notifications on your PC, it's going to come directly to your phone. They're connecting it. It's pretty much doing away with that app now. So it's really, really helpful. It's really, really great. I wanted to point this out to you. If you don't already have this connected, get it connected. It's easy, it's seamless, it's helpful. You'll be able to interact with your customers faster. My name's Chris Palmer. Turn on SMS notifications, connect it to your phone if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all so much. Chris Palmer, over and out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.